Hi, so today we are going to be interviewing the person, Aaron Bryan, from The Dog of the Wood Freezes. If you have seen the clip from that, and the movie will be coming out soon. But there's the clip, and I hope that you enjoy this. But if you haven't seen the clip, then I really think that you should go do this. So please welcome in a couple moments Aaron Bryan, but he will be out here in just a couple seconds, so just hold on 1 minute, please. And here he is. Hi. Oh, hello, Aaron. So, while you were doing the film, did you have any particular things that you were excited about, or something that you have to change? Well, first of all, I had to lose a lot of weight, in case you're wondering, and make my voice more high-pitched. And yes, there are some things that I had to do, so yes. Okay, now, can you do that bird call that you're going to be doing? Can you say it again, please? Oh yeah, it's really hard though already. Come on, try to do it. Okay. Yes, exactly that one. Okay, so now, what are you doing now that you're getting very, very close to doing this? Well, right now we're having 5 auditions a day, which, yes, that sounds a lot, but I actually quite enjoy it. Other than not being able to eat my favorite bun crunchies, then pretty much everything's okay. Okay then, and sign in next time. See you later. Great to see you.